Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful water bomb balloon. They are so good and amazing for hot summer. I crocheted this in a few minutes. Before I learning to you, please subscribe my channel and like my video. For this tutorial, I use a thick yarn like this because this yarn gives to you a balloon size of this. This size is good for a child size hand, but you can use a blanket yarn. This is good for adults because you have a big water balloon. So it is up to you. If you want, you can choose this yarn or you can choose blanket yarn. For this tutorial, I use a hook. The size of the hook is 30 mm, a pair of scissors and a needle for hide the extra yarn between the stitch and a yarn. I choose a green. You can choose any color you like it. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful water bomb balloon. So let's go and see. Okay, for beginning, I use two of this yarn. The first is here and the second is in this hole. You must find it. It's fine, very easy. Yes, this is here. So match this yarn together and start to crocheting. For the first step, we need a magic ring. So put your yarn between two fingers. The end of the yarn must be here, then across the yarn and put your yarn here. The hook must be in the under of this yarn, the first yarn, and above of the second yarn. Then yarn over, and now you have a magic ring. Then you need 2 chain, 1 and 2, and 8 double crochet on this magic ring. 1, 2, we need 8 of them. 3, you must continuous when you have 8 of double crochet in the magic ring. Now you must slip a stitch in the first stitch exactly here. You need a slip stitch, then 2 chain and 2 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 and 2. Then in the next stitch exactly here we need 2 double crochet. So in each stitch of this round we need 2 double crochet until we have 16 double crochet. Now I have 16 double crochet in each stitch. Then again the slip stitch in the first stitch, then again 2 chain, and in each stitch we need just 1 double crochet. So in this round we have 16 double crochet. Now again I made a slip stitch in the first stitch, and again 2 chain and double crochet in each stitch. So I have just 1 double crochet in each stitch. In the end we have just 16 double crochet again. This is round 4. In the end, again we need a slip stitch in the first stitch, like this. So we have 8 double crochet and 16 double crochet in each round. Again we need to decrease the double crochet. So for first we need 2 chain again and make a double crochet here, just 1 not finish. Again in this stitch, again like this, and now we have decreased the double crochet. So again Now together. We continue until we have 8 of this. Now I have 8 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So make a slip stitch in the first stitch again, exactly here. And again we need to decrease, so 2 chain until we have 4 of this. Again repeat, and again 3 of this yarn together. So 1, 2 and 3 of this loop together. Keep continue until we have 4 of this. Now again make a slip stitch in the first chain, exactly here. Then we need a chain and 2 double crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Again in the next stitch we need 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Again 1 single crochet, then 2. Again 1 and 2, and in the end 1 and 2 single crochet. Then make a slip stitch in the first stitch and make a chain and cut the yarn. Now I cut the yarn, then use the hook and put it here under the end of the yarn and yarn over to this part. Then do something like this. Again here. You can do this twice or more. When you finish, then use the hook again, put it here and then here, and yarn over both of them and put it into the balloon. Very carefully, yes. And then cut the extra yarn exactly like this. So you have a water bomb balloon. You can make it in the different color, which color you want. This is finished now. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching.